3D printing has the benefits of generating high-performance parts that may be used in a wide range of industrial applications. 3D printed parts are less expensive and much faster to produce than manufacturing the same part on a lathe or a CNC machining center. As you already may know, parts are designed in a CAD software program and then sent directly to an FDM or SLA printer. Hello, my name is Gary Sugal, and I am very excited to introduce you to our second generation of 3D metallic saxophone mouthpieces. Over the past year, I've been creating brass, copper, and steel forged 3D metal saxophone mouthpieces from my original STL 3D files that I created as far back as 2015. Recently, I've been successful in printing on our in-house FDM 3D printers a granulated type of a metal powder that is ideally suited to produce a professional saxophone mouthpiece. I would also like to point out that you, the player, has spoken and I have listened. I've not only gone to great lengths to maintain internally a high level of quality control, but I carefully and meticulously hand finish each and every mouthpiece that I produce. I also play test each piece prior to any of them leaving this factory, and I also sanitize them. Inside this video, Stefano Bedetti demos our first generation of 3D metallic mouthpieces on an Orfeo Borgani Pearl tenor sax, and he sounds absolutely incredible. Our second generation of 3D metallic mouthpieces are sounding even better. And once you receive one of my hand-wrought 3D metallic pieces, you'll quickly see that I've created a superior 3D printed mouthpiece that is second to none. Thank you for watching, and please click the button below to subscribe.
Today I'm making this little review for the Gary Sugal mouthpiece. I had time, due to this pandemic stop, I had time to think about my sound, and I wanted to renew something in my sound. I used to play with an old Autolink out of Florida, but 8-9 years ago it fell from my hands, and since then I didn't find anymore the real sound that I'm looking for. So I asked Gary to, we exchanged a couple of emails, and I ordered a piece, and I asked him to send whatever piece he wanted to. Big opening tips, because my airflow is very powerful and I feel comfortable with the big tip opening mouthpiece. So I've got the Yeti. I did some video with the Yeti, and it was just a usual 3D printed mouthpieces, usual in the meaning of creation, 3D printed, and it literally blew me away. I didn't know that a 3D mouthpiece can be so powerful, so focused, so easy to play, and that you could reach a so beautiful sound as well. Each mouthpiece, whatever mouthpiece you take, 3D printed, Metallica, metal mouthpiece, hard rubber, they anyway in the end are hand finished by him. Gary tests each mouthpiece, and they don't leave the factory without being fully tested and played. So after all this, he told me once that he created something different, a 3D metal mouthpiece, but printed. So I said, I never saw something like this. So he sent me 3 models of the new, which is called, that he called Metallica mouthpiece. Here they are, Michael Brecker 3 and KW 3. So Super Gonz, Michael Brecker, KW. 3 different mouthpieces, but same energy, same power, same focus, same beautiful sound. Actually, basically, they are made from granulated powers, metal powers, such as brass, tin. They have, all of them, all the models, they have fluted side walls, like a small feature, you know, each side. This allows the air to flow easily and smoothly into the chamber. Plus, they have you see, three-step enhancer system inside the baffle, 3 rows, running east to west. This allows the flow of air to sizzle without sounding nasal at all. So I want to make a little clip for each one, and I like to start with my favorite, but it's my feeling, my favorite, because all of them sound unbelievable. This is the Super Gonz 3. Okay, then we have the KW3. Last but not least, of course, the Michael Brecker 3. As you can see, there are slight differences, you know. This is the Super Gonz, which is fat like an Otolink. This is, you know, same line, same profile of the Michael Brecker Gardala mouthpiece. Really the same. So, plus, they come with their own ligature. Gold-plated ligature. You see this beautiful acrylic like here on the biplate. So if you don't want to use teeth protection, you know, the patch for the mouthpiece, you can go easily without, because this is very comfortable. So hope you enjoy this new word. At least for me, is absolutely new word where Gary is introducing me, and I wanted to share with you this amazing experience. You know, wish you all the best. We see each other online, because I will keep on publishing videos. This is the only way I have to exchange music and feelings with you. Thank you for your support.